All right, another vowel team. We have O-W, like snow, and it says O. So O-W, snow, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, snow, O. O-W, snow, O. So the rule for this vowel team, O-W, you're going to use O-W at the end of a word or before a final N to spell long O. So we'll talk about that as we go. So this is O, glow. You see that O-W is at the end. O, snow, O-W is at the end. Now we recognize here O-W is not at the end, but what is it right behind it? Yes, it is an N. So even though O-W is not at the end of the word, there is an N at the end. So I spell O with O-W. So g-r-o-n, grown. So same here. O, flow, and then O-W is in the middle of the word, but there's an N at the end. So O-W says O, and that's how I'm going to spell flown. So those are just some examples. This right here, yes, it's in the middle, but if you recognize this, ly is a suffix. So my base word is low, and then I add the ly. Now there is an exception to this rule, and it's OE. Now it is so rare. There's only a handful of words that are OE, like toe, and honestly, there's like the hoe that you garden with, different things. But it's so rare we don't teach it as a separate vowel team. So for the most part, students should know that when they hear O at the end of the word or before a final N, then they're going to spell O-W with O. Or sorry, they're going to spell the long O with O-W. Excuse me. So I hope that's helpful. We're just remember every time they hear O today at the end of the word, it is going to be O-W. Or if there's an N behind it, at the end of the word, they're going to do O-W. I hope that makes sense. Let us know if you have any questions.